Hey, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you how I got this look. So I'm going to keep this intro short and sweet because intros really suck. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would really appreciate the support. And let's get right into the video. So I already filled in my eyebrows and I primed my eyelids with the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer in the lightest color I could find, which is Fair Warm. And I'm actually just gonna go in today with this NYX Ultimate Edit. It's like a, oh, it's 6. I was gonna say 5, but like a 6. I don't know what I'm talking about, but it's the Brights one. And I'm just gonna do something really easy today, just pink and blue. So I'm gonna start out by going in with this blue here, the only blue, and I'm going to, well, I'm actually going to zoom in a little bit, so 1 second. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to just pack that into that crease, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And I don't start out with a lot, just to make sure that I can be remotely precise, like kind of precise in where I'm putting it, and then I can like deepen it later. Just kind of blend that out a little bit. Oh, and I'm just using this as a e.l.f. Eye crease brush, just like that. Okay, now I'm gonna grab a little bit more just to get that really, really blue. Please forgive me for the clock ticking in the bathroom, in the background. I'm very sorry. It's really annoying and it will not happen again. You probably hear her now. Say goodbye to her because she will not be here next time. Really make sure you go up on that edge and really blend this out. It doesn't have to be blended perfectly at this time, just like try to kind of blend it out. We'll fix it later, so it's okay if it's not perfectly blended. And that's kind of why I like doing my eyeshadow first, because I don't like feeling like I can't like just go like do it how I want to. Like I don't like feeling like constricted, like to try to not get makeup on my face. I would rather just do it crazy and fix it later. Okay, then I'm just gonna take like a fluffier, oh my, it has a fuzz on it. But I'm just gonna take like a fluffier brush, like this one, like a, I don't even know what you call this brush, but that's what I'm gonna take. And just further blend out that edge a little bit. Just to really try to like make it look seamless. And like I said earlier, like we're gonna come back in here anyway and like really blend this out, so it doesn't have to be perfect. But try your best. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other eye and I will be right back. And now I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Camo concealer again and Fair Warm. Said that already, but and I just put it out on something, and I'm gonna actually just like half cut this crease, and that is where we're gonna put the pink at. So I'm just using like, I go back and forth on like what kind of brush I like to use. I either like to use this little piece, but I just use this for my brows, so it's dirty, but I like to use this sometimes. This is broken, so excuse that, but I kind of like to use just like a regular flat concealer brush sometimes. That's what I'm gonna try right now. I also found that like don't be afraid to like use a decent bit of like product, as scary as it feels, because it started being gliding way easier when I started doing that, because I used to just use a tiny bit because I was afraid, but use more. Okay, so Just clean up that edge. I try to get like a straight edge before going in with more concealer to like really coat it. Now I'm going to just kind of pat that in there. I am no cut crease queen, but I have improved greatly and I get it, but I just need more practice. I will say though, like, I don't like this concealer so much for a cut crease. It's just like the whitest concealer I have right now. So it is what I'm using. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the other crease just because like I like to do them at the same time before I put color on to make sure they are even. So 1 second, let me do that. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this pink in the palette. This pink and purple are like really similar, but I'm going in with the pink and just like a flat brush. And I'm really gonna like pack that on to the brush because we want it pink, pinkety pink. Like really pack that on there. And then, oh, I was hoping I can get some more concealer up there in the blue because I did that while I was in the other eye and had to fix it, but okay. So we're just going to pat that on there. Ooh, look how pink it is. Kind of blend that over into the blue. Voila. And go ahead and do the other eye, and again, I will be right back. All right, and now that we have the pink all like filled in and done really vibrantly, we can go in with that, we can go in and really deepen the blue and make it really pop as well. So I'm just like coating blue on, well, yeah, there. I'm really putting a lot of blue on there. And then I'm just gonna go in right where that pink meets the blue and just kind of try to blend that. And then I'm gonna blend what's left on the brush up and over to get up there. I have a really bad habit of dragging my shadow down in front of there, and I don't even do it on purpose, it just happens. I'm trying to quit doing it, but I never do. I just like naturally do it, so. It looks so vibrant, that pink does on camera. Dang. Not what it's looking like in real life, to be honest. A little less crazy in real life. You know what? No, it isn't. I'm lying. But just like seeing the colors are coming off a little bit different on their camera. Okay, so do the same to the other eye. Okay, and then after you've got that blue kind of how you want it, just go back in with like a blending brush of some sort that you like and further blend that out, like get the edges. Get down here, blend that blue, really blend it together with that pink. Oops, okay. Sometimes I just need to pack a little bit more pink on after all of that blending, so just gonna do that. And again, just seriously only on the edge. Alright, so I'm going to do my face, foundation and everything, and I will be right back to finish this look for you. Okay, so now got my face on, and the only other thing I'm going to do is go in with the pink, and this is just like, I don't know what you call this. Is this like a pencil brush? Who knows? Why? Okay. All right, that's not going to focus, so we're just going to move forward. We're going to take that pink. Let me zoom out a little because, okay, so we're going to take this pink, and what we're going to do is just brush it along that lower lash line. Let me get a little of that off there. Okay, but, okay, just get that lower lash line. I'm not like precise at all with the lower lash line. I normally just go in there and just do it. Like, I don't really worry about perfection. Okay, and after that, I'm actually just going to like kind of tap-a-lapple this off. It's not like that big of a deal because I'm blending these together, like wipe it off a little bit, and then I'm going to go back in with the same old blue we've been using. And this, I'm just gonna blend into the outer edge, like kind of connecting it to the upper lash line, to the lid, I guess. Not the upper lash line. The whole lid, I guess, is the upper lash line. I don't know, I've never heard that phrase, so. Anyway, just blend this into here. Sorry, I'm like not even on there. Okay. Voila, we got it. Then I kind of just take it once I've gotten all of that blue off and just blend that whole line to where it almost just looks purple. Okay, what lips should we do with this? I feel like I know what I'm gonna do. This is the Tardiest lip paint, and this is called Get It. Okay, so my lips are dry as fuck. So I need some chapstick. Oh, I'll use this. Was having some technical difficulties with the camera, so got it figured out, and we're zoomed out. Hey, okay. So, as I was saying, I really like this Wet n Wild Pout and Kiss, I guess. I don't know what this is. Yeah, this is old, I'm not gonna lie, but it's a gel lip balm, and I feel like that works really well when I like under my lipstick. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. It might be the worst thing I could possibly be using, but it just feels good to me. So that's what we're using. And zoom too far in again. Okay, now you can see me. So it's like coconut too, which I love coconut, so yeah. Anyway, I'm going in with this Tardiest lip paint in Get It. I think a little bit too much chapstick or whatever you call it. So, dabble a little of that off. Okay, now we're serious. We're for real. This changing weather has been terrible on my lips. They're like always peeling lately, which is very frustrating. Okay, and this is like almost a nude for me. I would deem it a nude for me. It's my favorite nude at the moment, actually. Then I'm gonna go in with Kylie's Super Glitter Gloss. This one is in Glamour. And I'm just going to dab on. These glitter glosses are my whole life. These are like there. That's where I had you guys before. Okay, so now the last thing is, okay, this is a very dirty Morphe palette, and we are gonna be going in with this bad boy here. This is the Nature Glow palette, so we're gonna go in with that. I'm just gonna use this. Like, it's probably not what most people would use, but it's what I'm using. And we're just gonna take that color and get this brow on. And this brow bone. So both brow bones. And I just take the corner of that brush. I mean, this is not the brush I would recommend you use. It's just the one I saw that was small. And felt like it would be fine for me. Okay, and then we get that inner corner. I know, I'm weird. I'm opening up that eye like I don't know why, but like I am always a complete failure at the inner corner highlight. Like, it's just not my specialty. And actually I'm gonna take a little more of this and just use it as kind of like a Cupid's bow highlight. I like an intense Cupid's bow highlight. May not look that great to you, but I really like it, so hey. Go in, make sure I'm happy with everybody. Okay, and I am. Alright, I'm just gonna throw some mascara on and I will be right back with you guys. Okay, so here's the look. Thank you for watching, and if you didn't already, please hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications on, and I will see you guys tomorrow.